It's 2 a.m. A mouse slips through a crack in your basement wall, smaller than your fist, quieter than a whisper. It doesn't bite you. It doesn't even see you. But by morning, it has already left something behind. So here's the question nobody thinks to ask. What happens when you breathe in what a mouse left behind? You wake up. You head downstairs. Maybe you notice some droppings near the corner. You grab a paper towel and wipe it up. That cloud of dust you just stirred carries dried particles, urine, droppings, saliva from a deer mouse, the primary carrier of hantavirus in the United States. And in that single breath, microscopic viral particles travel past your throat, bypass your body's first defenses, and land deep inside your lungs. For days you feel nothing, maybe a little tired, maybe some muscle aches. You think it's the flu. It isn't. Here's what's actually happening inside your body. Hantavirus targets the cells lining your blood vessels, specifically in your lungs. Quietly replicates. Your immune system wakes up. But here's the cruel twist. It's your own immune response that causes the damage. Your body floods the lungs with fluid trying to fight back. That's called Hantavirus Pulmonary Syndrome, HPS. And it can suffocate you from the inside. There is no antiviral drug. No vaccine approved in the United States. Once symptoms appear, survival depends entirely on how fast you reach intensive care. The mortality rate? Up to 38%. And yet, most cases are completely preventable. Don't sweep or vacuum rodent droppings dry. Soak them in bleach solution first. Seal every gap in your walls larger than a dime. If you're opening a cabin or shed that's been closed all winter, ventilate it for 30 minutes before you step inside. The mouse didn't mean to hurt you, but now you know what it left behind. Here's the thing about hantavirus. It's not exotic. It's not rare in the way people assume. It lives in ordinary places. The garage, the storage unit, the hiking trail, the family cabin. It survives by staying invisible. But so does the knowledge of how to stop it. That mouse slipped through the wall at 2 a.m. Silent, small, and completely unaware. You, on the other hand, now you know.